Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you guys how I made my viral grinder sandwich. Don't mind my dog in the background. He was looking at that thing, man. And I really like this. I would make it again. I would just take some of the bread out because it was really fat. Anyways, I started off with 3 cups of lettuce. Then I added 1/4 cups of red onion, 1 cup mayo, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 3 tablespoons white wine vinegar. I didn't have the red one, so I just used the white one. I used 2 tablespoons sub dressing, and then I added salt, pepper, and chili flakes to my liking. I didn't really measure this part because that's just to your own liking. And then I added 3 tablespoons of peppercini, which is that in the corner, that little diced green peppers over there. And then you just give it a good mix for that grinder salad. And once it's done mixing, it should look like this. It looks so good. I wish you guys could smell it. I bought this French bread at Safeway, and I thought I got garlic butter, but I got regular butter, but it's okay. I'm going to show you how to make garlic butter. So I used half a stick of butter, and I'm just going to throw some garlic in there, and I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. I just kind of dumped some in there, didn't really measure it. I melted it in the microwave so that way I can apply it to my bread easier, and I'm using pepper jack and Colby jack. And I used 3 slices of each. I also placed a line of salami, and I'm just going to add my pepperoni as well on top of the salami. I'm adding more pepperoni than salami because I like pepperoni. Salami, not so much. Anyways, now I'm adding my turkey, and I just folded it like this until I covered the whole French bread with my turkey. And then after that, it's going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. I did buy all this meat in the deli section at Safeway, just in case you guys are wondering. And I'm also going to cook some bacon separately because I don't want the grease to get on my bread. And I threw this in my air fryer until it was crispy. Now I added some tomatoes, and I did put black pepper and salt on it to taste. I added my bacon. I didn't add a lot of bacon because it already has a lot of meat in there, you guys. And then I added my grinder salad on there. You guys, this is so good. I definitely recommend it. I'm not a big sandwich person, but this was really good, and I definitely try this again.